In this video, we will demonstrate how to capture a refund request. A refund applies when there is an overpayment, credit notes on the account, or there are policy cancellations, policy reclassification, and terms overpayments. To begin, log in using your unique credentials. On the landing page, navigate to the top of the screen and select the Billing tab. From the available options, click Apply for a Refund. The refund page will open. Select the refund type using the drop-down list. For each refund type, there are specific mandatory supporting documents that must be attached to support the request. Failure to attach the required documents will delay the processing of the request. Next, select the relevant bank account if it already exists. If no bank account is available, click the plus icon to add banking details, complete the required fields, and click Save. The total refund amount is auto-populated. You may edit the refund amount by clicking the Edit icon. Enter the refund amount and click Save. If you do not change it, the full credit balance will be submitted as the refund request. It is important to note that in the current eCARE system, refunds are assessed based on your overall account balance and not per product, as was done previously. This means that if one product reflects a credit balance, while another product has an overdue balance, and you submit a refund request, the refund application will be rejected until the product with the overdue balance has been settled. Unless the refund type requested is terms overpayment, which occurs when an account under a terms arrangement reflects a debit balance or overpayment for a specific month. In such cases, a refund will be processed. Upload the required supporting documents for the refund. Once all documents have been uploaded, the Submit button will become available. Click Submit to complete the process. A confirmation message will appear, confirming that the refund application has been submitted successfully. The refund request will then be routed to RMA for review and a final decision. You will be notified of the progress and outcome via email. For each type of refund, there are primary documents required. If a refund relates to a reclassification, you need to upload a bank confirmation letter with the bank stamp that is not older than 3 months. A proof of payments made to RMA to ensure that the refund is not more than what was paid to RMA. And lastly, a proof of reclassification. If the refund relates to an overpayment, you need to upload these documents. Bank confirmation letter with the bank stamp that is not older than 3 months. Proof of payments made to RMA for the queried amount, the reason for overpayment for FICA purposes. This can be submitted in any format. If the refund relates to cancellation, you need to upload these documents. EMP 501201. However, if the earnings are validated, you don't need to upload it. Bank confirmation letter with the bank stamp that is not older than 3 months. EMP 501201 for the period after the credit notes assessment year if earnings are not validated. And that is how you capture a refund request.